In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a little breakfast sandwich for your cat. I also put catnip in it, so my cat totally loves this. This is an easy sewing tutorial and you don't even need a printer. The shapes are simple enough that you can easily sketch them out. To make these, you will need felt, thread, stuffing, sewing needles, scissors, catnip, and a paper and pen. I'm folding the paper in half to get symmetrical shapes. I'm folding it one more time just to get it as even as possible. This one turned out too pointy, so I'm just trimming the ends a bit. I'm moving the paper along the scissors to help give the shape clean edges. I'm actually using my scrap felt for this project. If you'd like to see me make more cat toy, felt food, or plushies, just let me know by commenting below. After knotting the needle, it's time to start sewing. Go along the circle, but don't go all the way. To give the egg dimension, I'm adding stuffing. I am ending this thread by knotting it off. If you don't know how to tie your needle so that it's secure, this is how you start it. Securing it where it's not visible, I'm going to start the blanket stitch. Make sure you're looping the thread around the needle. Keep going until there's about an inch or so from the starting stitch. I'm leaving room so I could add the catnip. This is the brand I'm using. You can use whatever catnip that you think your cat likes best. I honestly have no idea how much I'm supposed to put in here, so I'm just putting a good amount. This is how to tie off the thread and end your blanket stitch. Now the egg is done and we're moving on to the bread. Pinning it in place makes it a whole lot easier. Tie it off, and then we're going to attach the two pieces together. I am again doing a blanket stitch till I get about an inch or two towards the end. I want to make the bread look 3D, so I'm adding stuffing with the catnip. This is how I'm finishing off the stitch. Repeat this process one more time for 2 pieces of bread. The cheese is probably the easiest. Cut out 2 squares and just sew them together. For the sausage patty, I'm cutting out a circle that's about the same size as the cheese square. I'm doing the same thing of securing the stitch and then doing a blanket stitch around, leaving about an inch of space left to stuff it. And now you have a tiny felt sandwich, perfect for your little kitten. When your cat plays with this, please make sure to always keep an eye on them. It could be a possible choking hazard if they get the stitches out, or any of the stuffing. I didn't include any beads for that reason. Now it's time to see how Puddin likes his new toys. I'm laying them all out so he has his choice. I gotta show him that there's some catnip in it. And he goes straight for the patty. And a big bite of bread. But back to the patty. A taste of egg. But back to the patty. This was such a fun craft to make, and seeing him eat it is so funny. His brother Sesame even got a taste. This video's Peachy pick is teeny frogs. If you couldn't guess it, Shay makes these adorable tiny teeny frogs. They said that their frogs are under 2 inches. Some people don't realize how tiny they actually are. Shay wants to say that their Ko-fi is open and everything is available, as it's all made to order. They're working on new things that they haven't posted about, like dinosaurs and starfish. They also plan on making fairies. This Garfield bucket holds their whips, and he encourages them to, as he should. When asked what their favorite prehistoric animal is, this is what they responded with. And you know what? Yeah. Thank you for applying, Shay, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.